Hi guys, this is Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland, and this short video, another video in our series of videos dealing with Excel basics, is going to look at, I suppose, how to remove blank rows that you have within a particular sheet, okay, or within an Excel workbook. So here's a particular example here. Actually, this particular data set I took from a website. Have I still got that website up here? Examples, Excel sample data. So it's contextures. So that's actually where I took the data from. I just took the data from that particular site. So I should give credit to those guys, just as an example. So here's the data here. I introduced some blank rows. There's a blank row here in this particular data. There's two blank rows here. There's another blank row and so on. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to merge all of this data together. Is to eliminate the blank rows. I suppose there's many ways to do this. Probably the handiest way is to use the Excel function, which allows us to find blank rows within a particular data set. I'm using Excel here on the Mac. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to the top here, and I'm going to go to the menu bar. I'm going to go to Edit, and when I go to Edit, if I come down to Find, okay, within the Find menu set, okay, there's a number of options, and what I'm actually going to go do is I'm going to actually click on the Go To function. Okay, so let's just talk about that again. Within my Excel sheet, I'm going to go to the menu bar. I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to come down to Find, and I'm going to choose Go To. Okay, so I'm going to choose Go To. And we get a little pop-up window, okay? But what we're going to do is there's nothing defined in here at the moment, yeah? So what we're going to do is we want to choose Special. So I want to go to Special within this data set. And you can actually see there's many different things that we can look for. And what I'm going to look for are blanks. So I'm going to go to all the blanks within this particular data set. So I'm going to hit OK. And what we have is this will find all the blank, well, this is actually finding all the blank cells here. So what I can actually do now is I can actually just right click on that, and I can go delete. And what that will do is, if I shift cells, let's say just shift the cells up, I hit OK. What that does is it gets rid of all of the blanks in that particular data set. Let's undo that. So Control Z here. Let me actually just highlight these particular columns here. Okay, let's do it another way, the same way, but this time we're highlighting the columns where the blanks reside. So you can see actually the blank rows are along here within column B to H. So once again, I'm going to go to the menu bar. I'm going to choose Edit. I'm going to come down to the Find options. I'm going to choose Go To. I'm going to go to Special, and once again I'm going to choose blanks, and we can see if I hit OK here, what happens is it chooses the blank rows, yeah, within that particular collection, yeah, within that particular collection of columns that I've specified. So if you actually just want to remove blank rows, okay, within certain columns or that span certain columns, the way to do that is actually to highlight the actual columns that you want to remove, where the blank rows reside, and then to actually use the Go To function. So I'm going to right click now on this, and I'm going to say delete. And once again, shift cells up, and what that does is that deletes those blank rows. One final way we could have done it, let me just go back here, is I suppose I could have gone to my, let's say, my data ribbon. I actually don't have my data ribbon turned on here. Maybe what I need to do is I actually need to turn all of those things on. I haven't got them on. Go to preferences here, my ribbons. I've none of them on. Actually, I need to turn on these ribbons. Okay, there's my data ribbon there. Okay, and my view, sorry, I was messing around with this earlier on. That actually turns on all of them ribbons now for me. Okay, so what we could do is we could order this data set. So if I go to data, and if I go to sort, okay, so this time what I want to do is I want to sort by, let's say, we want to sort based off particular columns. Actually, this probably isn't going to work for us. Actually, let's ignore this, because that's just going to allow us to sort a particular column with respect to blanks. It would work in this case, but won't work in all cases. Okay, so the best way to do it is actually to use the edit command here, yeah, and is to go down to the Find options and to choose Go To, and that allows us to remove our blanks. Okay, guys. Once again, this is Jonathan Lambert with the Mathematics Development and Support Service at the National College of Ireland, and I hope that this video was in some way intuitive, and more importantly, I hope that was helpful for you. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.